What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So in today's 2-Minute Tuesday video, I got something pretty cool. At least I think it's pretty cool. So what I have here is the GT4 RS PDK shifter. I wanted to get this just because I really didn't like the base Cayman style PDK shifter. I really love the way the GT4 RS one looks with the alcantara and like the shift knob style that it has. I called my local Porsche dealer, gave them the part numbers. They wanted almost like $1,000 for the entire setup. I found this on Suncoast Parts. I'll put the link down below. It actually tells you like the whole kit itself. So you get everything you need. You get the hazard button setup, which will be replacing the factory one. And then you have the shifter style setup itself. Now, this thing comes in, I believe, 3 different variants. It comes with the all leather boot. It comes in the alcantara style boot with the gray stitching, which is the one I have. And then I believe the other one is the red stitching. So honestly, this intro is probably going to take up most of the video. But yeah, here it is. Pretty cool. There you go. Let's go ahead and get in the car and get this thing installed. So this should be pretty simple. You're just going to need 3 different tools. You are going to need a panel pry tool, plastic one obviously preferably, so you can go ahead and pull these side panels off. You're going to need a little angled pick to go ahead and release these locking buttons right here. And then you're also going to need a flathead to go ahead and release the control panel right here. So first and foremost, let's just go ahead and put the key into accessory modes. Put it into neutral. Go ahead and turn that back off. Make sure your e-brake is on. And then from there, you're just going to take your pry tool. Oh, you go ahead and turn off the car as well. Take the pry tool, pop it open like so. This side as well. All right, there you go. Once you get that off, you're going to go ahead and pull this towards you. Pull that to the side. Same thing with the driver's side. There we go. This one's a little snug. Okay, that is off. Next, you're going to take the flathead, and you see these holes right here. You're just going to take the flathead. Hopefully this one is good enough. Yes, there should be a clip in there. Take the pry tool maybe. Go. Go. Pop that out. You can go ahead and set this one to the side. This is new. Anyways, set that to the side. Next up, you're going to want to go ahead and see this lock ring down here below the shifter. Twist it counterclockwise. That releases it and pull straight up. Set that to the side. Go ahead, pull this one out. There you go. Okay, so you're going to want to take the angled pick, go in there. There's a locking tab on the left and the right. Go ahead and take your angled pick, push it forward, push that side out. Oh, pop back in, just push that out. One, two. And there you go. Then you're going to want to take the new piece that's part of the Suncoast kit. Go ahead and unwrap that. And then just go ahead and go. Then gonna want to go ahead and reconnect it, which I guess when I pulled mine out, it was already disconnected. So that still works. And that still works. All right, so next up, we are going to want to take this back. And according to them, we have to go ahead and kind of put them in at the same time, more or less. I'm not sure what this is. I don't think this is factory. Somebody let me, this is definitely not factory actually. I don't know what this is. So somebody can let me know what this piece is. And put this back in. And kind of, I don't know why they say to put them in at the same time. I'm going to try. Okay. That's in. That's in. You don't have to put them in at the same time. I'm not sure why they said that, but there you go. Now, you're going to want to take your GT4 RS shifter. Same thing. You're going to want to twist this counterclockwise. If it didn't already come, go ahead and put that all the way down. There we go. Basically till this button pushes up, and go ahead and lock it into place. Make sure it's all the way down. So here we go. Now just take this end, go ahead and clip it into there, and start pushing down at the top. All right, perfect. Now just go ahead and set this old one to the side, reassemble by sliding this one in. Locking all the clips back in again. Make sure it's all lined up. And there you go. Perfect. And there you have it, a quick, simple install of the GT4 RS style shifter, and it gives it a much better look. I really love the way this came out. Sits lower, feels better in the hand because it actually feels like a shift knob over this kind of eggplant shaped shift knob. But anyways, guys, so there you have it. I will leave links down below on where I ordered mine. Like I said, I got this from Suncoast. If you want part numbers, I'll list part numbers as well. Maybe you guys have a hookup at a dealership. Maybe they can give you a better price. But until next time, guys, later.